Welcome to Newsbreak, a weekly roundup of stories from Imperial. This week, Visions of the Future showcased in new design exhibition, a quarter of UK COVID-19 patients enrolled in major study, and close-up images of the sun reveal surface campfires. A beautiful building stone made of recycled plastic, and a wearable device designed to reduce air conditioning bills by cooling the air we breathe. These are just some of the 50 student innovations exhibited within the 2020 Imperial Design Engineering Summer Show. You can explore it yourself at www.desummershow.london. Over 60,000 COVID-19 patients have enrolled in a global Imperial collaboration to learn more about the disease. The International Severe Acute Respiratory Infection Consortium study is the world's largest and involves various UK universities. Already the study has identified new common symptoms such as diarrhea, vomiting and joint pain. Close-up images of the Sun from the Solar Orbiter spacecraft have revealed mini flares dotted across the surface. The European Space Agency and NASA mission carries Imperial instrumentation to measure our star's magnetic field. The campfire flares may explain why the Sun's outer atmosphere is hotter than the surface. For more stories like this every day, sign up to Imperial Today.